Hello viewers, my name is Ola. I'm back here to continue the video series showing users how they can embrace and utilize the modules on afriSAMS School ERP. Remember, afriSAMS School ERP is a multilingual application. It's an enterprise resource planning system for schools. It has a lot of modules. Hence, that's why we are trying to make it much easier for users by creating short videos. At times, some videos might not be too short because we don't want to cut modules into pieces. But at least we are trying to make it as friendly and as understandable as possible. Okay, so as usual, we move on to your login. And then when you get to your login, you select your login details. Of course, in some of the videos, a lot of us might not have seen how to log in. You put your parameters, you put your password, and you log in. You can only log in if you have been created, if you have captured your system, your records on our platform as an institution. Remember, afriSAMS School ERP is for schools, not for learners directly. Okay? It is schools that sign up with us, and the school captures learners and parents. afriSAMS School ERP is a platform. Okay? It's a platform that we have created so that schools can have their own content, in as much as we have inbuilt content that we are supplying schools that are on our mobile applications, especially the live class application. But yet we still create the platform for schools to be able to upload their own content, raw content from their teachers, from their educators, so that the students can have a feel and be connected better, in a better way. Okay? That's what we are offering everyone across the continent. afriSAMS School ERP. So today we are going to discuss the website builder. We are going to discuss the website builder. Before now, we have uploaded a lot of videos about the communications arm of the modules. But today we are discussing the website builder. Now, afriSAMS ERP comes with a website building system, content management system, which is very easy to use. It allows users to build their own website. You can customize your website, you put on your content, you put on everything you need. It allows users to build their own website. All right? So you have your pages. Of course, we know every website must have pages. It is not a single page website. You can build a multi-page website. It is not just a simple thing we have given to you. You can build a complex website as long as your time permits you. You can get your pages here. You can create pages. You can create a new page. You can create menu, okay, on your pages. Now by standard, all right, we are not going to teach you how to build a website here. We are only teaching you how to use the website content management module that we have provided for you. Easy to use, and you don't need any programming knowledge. You don't need any website knowledge. We have made it very easy to use. Okay, so in your menu, by standard, your menu are pages. You link your menu to pages. For example, if you want your menu to be careers, you link it to career page. Okay, your menus are linked by standard. Menus are linked to pages in web design. So that's what we have done for you here. So all you need to do is create your pages and attach the pages as menu. All right, and attach the pages as menu, and that's what you have here. You can see that we already attached the pages we created here. The pages we created here, you already have it as menu here. Okay, but firstly, before I come back to pages, let's see the basic settings. The first thing you need to do is to come to settings and set your website. Now, your web portal status, do you want it to be on public or private? If you say yes to be on public, it means anybody around the world can see it. It is hosted. But if you say no, it means it's only you that can see it. Then your tagline, tell us about your school. Type whatever you want to type there. Your landing page by default is home. But if you want other pages that you have created to be your landing page, then you have a choice to choose it. Put your email, then upload your logo. All right, you can upload your logo. The logo standard is 200 by 200 pixel. The logo standard we recommend is 200 by 200 pixel. Then you can either say whether you want the logo style to be circle, the border around your logo, do you want it to be square, do you want it to be circle, or do you want it to be plain? Okay, let's say I want it to be square. Then you put your location. Let's say you are in Pretoria, okay, South Africa. Okay, there is a Google key that we're going to provide. You can set your location here and there, or you can drag and drop. For example, you can drag and drop your location to your location. Let's say you are in Oshokoya, or you are in Udujiri Avenue. The system automatically changes your GPS, or the coordinates. Sorry, changes your coordinates. Let's say we are in Omole Estate. You can drag and drop it there, and the system changes it. All right. So you can select the color, your theme based on your school theme. You can select your primary color and your secondary color, and you can change the font of your text, how you want your text to appear. If you are used to Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, you understand all this. Okay. Then you can put your website header. You can put a website header like welcome to afriSAMS demo school. afriSAMS demo school. Okay, can have welcome to afriSAMS demo school, and that will appear. Then you can edit your website footer. We have footer templates. You have footer templates that we have provided. You can edit it. You can type it straight. Just say afriSAMS demo school. afriSAMS demo. Okay, you can say South Africa. You can put your name. You can put your phone number, +2700 924 2956, if that is your number. You can change your email, support@afriSAMS.com. That's our own email. You can put your school address, let's say number 1234 School Avenue, Omole Estate. Okay, you can say Omole Estate Road. You can now say Pretoria, South, your zip code if you want, 0002, and then of course your pin is still here. You can put it here if you want to still put it, your pin code or zip code. Okay, you can change the pin to zip. In some countries you use pin, in some countries you use zip. PO box. Okay, you can say PO box 5112. All right, you can change it, and then you have your links here. You follow us if you have social media. You have social media, we can add it there. It's by default. We will show you where you update your social media. Then your pop-up image, if you have any advertisement that you want to pop up on your website as it's loaded, you can add it. For example, let's say we want afriClass. Hold on. Okay, let's say this is the pop-up image you want to use. You select it, you open it, and then show pop-up every time. Let's say yes. For the enable team rest of reset option, say no. Team reset option is each time users can reset the team. So it's always good to say no, because you don't want your users to be tampering with your website. So just save the settings, and when you save the settings, you can preview your website. When you save the settings, you can always preview your website. Okay, so all you need to do is come here and preview it. You open in another page, and you can see how your website looks like. Now you can see your pop-up what's it called, image. All right, you can close it, and now you can see how your website looks. You can see welcome to demo school. Now these images, I'll show you how to change it. all these images and all this text. I will show you how to change it. Now this is how our website, what our website builder brings to you. This is what our website builder will help you develop for your own school without any knowledge of web design. You can see we have put a lot of things together for you, for your convenience. Okay, so back to the page, the content management system, the web builder. Okay, so now you can decide not to have you can align it to center. You can increase you can change the color. Let's say you want the color to be let's say this color. All right, you can make it bold. You can increase the font size. Okay, you can increase the font size to like 14. Let's say you want it to be bigger to like 18. Then you update. If you update again and then you go to check, you will see that it has changed. Okay, if you come back here now and refresh, see where it is. By the time you refresh, it will be in the middle and the color would have changed. Okay, you can see welcome to afriSAMS demo school. That's how the demo, some of those things you can do. All right, so let's come back here. Let's come back here. Okay, so now your data is collection. There is a contact form at the front end that you have. You have a contact form here for your users. Let's say somebody is dropping, Christy Paul is sending a message. Okay, let's say Christy Paul is sending a message and you have this phone number. Hello, I am just checking this out. Okay, by the time Christy Paul submits, okay, you say contact us request sent properly, I mean successfully, sorry. Then when you come here and go to contact form data, you will see the message, Christine Paul. Can you see Christine Paul? Hello, I'm just checking out. And right, so this is where you see your contact form messages. Very easy to use, and you have your review and you have your file upload. Now file upload is all these images. For example, all these images you see here, you need to upload it first. All the images you have on the website, any image that you need to use that you want displayed on your website, make sure you upload them. You can see upload them on file upload. Just come here and click drop or drag and drop the files. Select the files you want to upload. For example, let's say this is the file we want to upload, and you open it and it will upload. Okay, it will upload. The files format is JPEG and PNG. There are 5 formats you can upload. See the file we just uploaded here. All right, so now all those files you must upload them. Then all you need to do is to make them show on the front page. You will go to the section which I'm going to show you and just copy the link. You just right click and copy this link and paste it on the section where you want the image to show. I'm going to show us soon. All right, so that is settings and file upload. Every image you need on your website to show, you must upload them through the file upload first. Then you will now use the link. You embed the link. Embedding is you can copy it and put it in the section that you want it to show. All right, so let's go back to our pages. The main work comes back to your pages. Each page you want to work on, just click on it. Just click on it. Now you will see the sections that are already on the page are on the right side of this pane. Then the options you still have, available options that you still have, are here on the left. The ones that are here on the right are the ones that you have already. All you need to click is just click on it and you see the section. You can see the images. Look at the images here. These images here are the same image you have here on the slider. The slider is this place that slides. The place that changes is where you call the slider section. And the images you have here and the information you have here is simply on the slide. Okay, so all you need to do is, if you want to change it, just edit it. If you want to adopt, now you can adopt our template already, but you can redesign it by adding more sections and removing sections. But we have designed the template using the sections that we have put, that we know is of best standard, best practice. You can adopt this template. There is no copyright. As long as you are our client, we are offering you this template for free to use. Okay, all you just need to do is change your own pictures and change the content, and this is where you change them. Just click on the page and it takes you down here, and you will see the sections. Now you can see this image, you can see the image. All right, the slider, all you need to do is edit. If you want to change anything, edit it. Okay, you can see the messages. This message that you see here, is what you have here. This is a default message. It's a default web content message that you see on every web template. Okay, so don't bother about yourself about the language. It is just the best practice and the best standard when it comes to web development. You have this default text. It is called a default text. All right, but you can change it. You can change the school status and affiliation. You can change it. For example, let's come here and say welcome to afriSAMS School ERP. Let me say I don't want to use the welcome. I just want afriSAMS School ERP. All you need to do is update the data, change it and update the data, and go back and refresh. You will see that the welcome to would have left. Can you see? The welcome to has left. So I want to put my welcome to back because I prefer it to have welcome to. So all you just need to do is type your welcome to back and then update the data. And if you come to refresh, now, you can see the welcome to is not here, but by the time you refresh, you will see the welcome to is back. All right. Now the pop down image is popping down up all the time because we set it to be popping up all the time. You can change that too. Okay, now you can edit and change the image as well. For example, you want to use another image, or let's just say I want to let's edit first, then you can change the image. Okay, so you edit. If you want to change the file here, all you need to do is just choose the image. When you choose the image here, the same way you navigate to where your image that you want to put, and then you navigate to wherever you want it to be, and then you open it. Okay, in this case I don't want us to change image, but I want us to create a new slider. Okay, the slider can be Citadel of Great Learning. You can use heading, whatever you want them to see. Then let's use our content text, default text, sorry. Then let's go here and choose an image, any image, it doesn't matter. Let's say we want to use this image. Let's say we want to use this image, the same image or this image. Okay, then you add data. Then you are going to have 4 sliders now. Can you see? You have 4 slides. All right, you have 4 slides. Citadel of Great Learning is now added. So you can come here and refresh. The dots you have here will be 4 now. Can you see? The dots will be 4, and you will soon see your Citadel of Great Learning now. The next one is going to be Citadel of Great Learning. Can you see? Citadel of Great Learning with the image you put and your content. So that's how you set your slides. The same thing applies about home. Each of this section, you are done with the slider. Now the next thing is the about, which is here. You can see each of them is arranged like that. So it is easy. If you want to add something, all you need to do is just drag it and drop it here. Just drag it like this and drop it. Can you see? If you want to add it, okay. If you want to add testimonial, just drag it and drop. For example, we want testimonial before contact us. All you need to do is drag it and drop it there. By the time you save the page, always remember to save. By the time you come here, you will see, before I refresh, let's see, you can see that there is no testimonial here. After call to action, you are only having drop a message. So let me refresh. You see that what we dragged and dropped there is going to be there. Okay, you can see it's there now. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, so testimonial, it's empty, it's there but it's empty, so you just need to add something to it. Let's say you want to add new testimonial. Let's say Mr. John Doe post principal. No, okay, let's just say let's just say parents. Let's just say it's a parent. You not say this description is the comment of the principal. afriSAMS demo school is the best school in town. Let's just say that. afriSAMS demo school. They have the best facilities. Now these are comments that should come from your clients, or maybe from your parents, and yeah, of course parents are your clients as a school. All right, you can choose the image of the person, or you can choose the image. Okay, let's say this is the image of Mr. John Doe. You can choose the image and then you add the data. All right, when you add the data, you save the page. When you add the data, you save the page. So if I come back to testimonial now, you will see this message, and if you go home and refresh, that will be there now. It will be there. All right, because there is a content on it. Okay, can you see testimonials? You can see how the testimonial looks. It's so beautiful. So you can add more. You can add new testimonial. You can say Miss Janet Duncan, anything. You can say principal, maybe, or supplier. You can say stationery supplier, or parents too. Doesn't matter. You can still say parents. Lovely school, best teachers. Okay, choose your file as well. Choose your file here, and then add the data as well. When you add the data, you can see you have two. You see the picture, you save your page. Always remember to save your page. Then you come back here. If you refresh, you will see that you have two comments. Can you see? So that's how it works. You can see our the kind of website you can build with afriSAMS School ERP. It's amazing. It's very amazing, the kind of website you can build with afriSAMS School ERP. Okay, so just like that, admission form download, you can change all those things. The admissions are open. Okay, you can add something. Apply now. Okay, apply now. So if I save this session and save the page, you will see the apply now must have been applied to that session. Okay, so that's how it works. Can you see admissions are open, apply now? You can see this apply now. I just added it, so I'm going back to remove it, and just like that. We don't need apply now for now. Okay, admissions are open. Just save your page. Always save the section and save your page, then you refresh. Remember to save your session, save your page, and then refresh. You can see admissions are open. You can download the admission form. Okay, now our application still have online admission platform portal, which you can link to this place, where we can have a button, click here to apply online. All right, I'm still in next video. Amongst the next videos we are going to show you is how to set up your online admission portal. It's an amazing school ERP that does almost everything, digitize everything for you. So the same thing, go to staff qualities and co. So you just select just like that. Change your pictures. Yeah, to change pictures. Remember to add pictures to slider. You just browse the picture, go to the location of the picture and upload. But any other session, you have to copy from your file upload. Remember, I mentioned that you must upload the pictures here already on the server. So all you just need to do is go to right click it and go to image properties. Can you see the image? So all you need to do is right click, go to image properties. You can either set it as a link URL, or since it's on the server, if you want to use external image that is coming from another source, which we don't advise, you can copy the link here. But if you put the link on the server, all you just need to do is copy it here. All you just need to do is copy it here. How do you do that? You come to file upload and you come here and say copy URL. When you click it, automatically it copies the link. It copies the link, and all you need to do is come here and right click here and paste. All right, come here and right click here and paste. Let me demonstrate one for you. You come here now. Hold on. Let's assume this is the image you want to put now. Just copy the link, principal's office image. Copy the link, say URL copy to clipboard successfully. Sorry. Then you come to the pages. All right, and there right click and paste. Okay, then you okay it, click OK. All right, when you click OK, then you come here and save session. When you save section, you save page. When you save the page, all you need to do is come here and refresh. Come here and refresh, and here you see the image is here. That is the image we copied from this place. Okay, that is the image. Let me open the image for you. Can you see? It just cropped it because the size of the image is big. That's why we can't see it in full. But that's the image we have here. The same image here is the image it uploaded, but the size, always ensure your size of image is not too large. If not, the system will automatically crop it to size. Okay, so that's about uploading your image. You copy the URL, you go to the particular section you want to put it, and there you paste it there. Principal's desk, for example, you right click and paste. Let's assume we want to change the image, this image again. Let's go to file upload. Let me try another one. Okay, fine. Let's use this one now. Copy the clipboard of this image. Now we want to use this image. We want to use this image here, all right, on principal's desk. So I've copied the URL. All I need to do is come here and there on the pages and paste it here. Okay, and I OK it. When I OK it, I save session, I save my page. When I go back to refresh your preview, when you refresh your preview, you will see that the image here must have changed. Can you see it? The image has changed. Now the size of the image again is the reason why you are having it that way. You can reduce your image. Let me quickly show you a little way you can reduce your image, or you talk to your graphics guys, your graphics designer, to give you a proper image. We have image sizes on each section that we have recommended for users. Okay, we have recommended it for users. All right, so let's see. Let me quickly show us how to save. Let me save it on desktop, principal. Let me just save it as principal.png. Now there are so many tools you can use to edit your image. But for now, most laptops or computers come with Microsoft Photo Editor or Paint. Now, when you use some of these functions, some of these applications, it might affect the quality of your image. That's why we advise that you use experts to do your graphics for you. But for this purpose, we understand that some of us might just need to quickly make it happen, and that's why I'm just showing us. It's part of our duty. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. We are going to locate what I've saved now. After we have I just downloaded it, I will locate it, and then I will show us how to reduce the size. Okay, this is our image now. So I'm going to right click it, and I will open it with I won't use Paint here. I will use Microsoft Office 2010 to edit it. Okay, you can go to edit pictures, and you can resize it. Okay, you can either resize by predefined width and length, or by custom width and length, or by percentage. Let me use percentage. I want to reduce it by half. Let me just change it by 50%. You can see the original size here, 920 by 927, which is quite big. So I want to reduce it to 460 by 464. Okay, I just want to show you that I'm reducing it further, but I just want to show you that you can reduce it by 75%. Okay, you can reduce it by to 25%. So when you click on it, the image goes small, at least small enough this time. So what you do is, you can just don't overwrite the existing one. You can save it as and rename it. You can save it as, then remove. You can save it and rename the image. You can say edited, so that when you want to upload, you know the difference. This is the original one, and this is the edited one. Edited. So we save it. Okay, then we go back to our platform, and then we upload the image. We upload the image on desktop. It's on desktop. Don't forget, see the edited, principal edited. All right, you open it, and it will upload here. Okay, then you can copy the URL, and go back to pages, principal's desk, and then right click, image properties, and paste it there. Then you paste it there, you click OK. Remember to save your section, and you remember to save your page. All things being equal, by the time you review, the image should be more captured now. It should be better captured. Instead of showing the head, you should see more. Okay, you should see more. But in the situation, it's still the same thing. Then it's not properly sized. So you can just use standard what's it called, graphics designers to help you sort this. Okay, let's try another image. Let me try another image. Let's use this. Okay, let's use this. Let's copy this, and I come here. Okay, image properties, and I paste. So, okay, save session. Right, so then you can refresh again. Of course, you will have your image sized properly. If you have it sized properly, you don't need to go through all these challenges. Okay, so in case you are still having that challenge, you can decide to reduce the width of your image manually here. Okay, you can decide to reduce the width and the height, let's say 200 there. All right, and then the width, let's say 240. All right, can you see? You can decide to reduce the width if your image is still giving challenges. You can decide to reduce the width, reduce the size. Okay, so you can adjust the size here using the width and the height, and the border you can format it to to your best. You can align to left or align to right, or you can leave it on set. So you can reduce it here and lock the image. Okay, you can lock the image so that it won't be editable again, and then you click OK. You save the session, you save your page, then you go back to your principal text, the section. Now you can see the image is reduced, you can see the picture clearly. You can see the picture clearly now in this. So you can adjust your pictures like that. So those are some of the ways you can play around your images, and on the front end, using our custom built content management system in the web builder. All right, so then after doing that, you make sure you can set your menus. Again, you can set your primary and secondary menus. The primary menu are these ones that you see. They are these ones that you see. There are other pages. Okay, there is no content there. There is no content here. Admissions, you can create your content yourself. You can create your content yourself. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back to the pages, and let's assume we want to set up the careers page. You can see nothing is here. Nothing is here. So you can decide to put a slider if you want slider, or you can decide to put an image gallery or testimonial. So let's say you want slider to still be there, and you want division and mission, depends. Maybe we still want principal's desk to be there. You want staff qualities to be there. You want some staff image, maybe about us again. It depends. Okay, your courses, admission form, let's say blog. You can select. You have a lot of content that you have already pre-developed for you. It's just drag and drop. Just drag and drop it, and you'll be fine. So here now, if you come to careers now, you see that you have some things. Can you see? Can you see? You have some things. I just quickly dragged and dropped there, and you have some things. So if we go to admissions page 2, you will see admissions page has nothing. It has nothing. So the same way, we go back to our pages. You click on admissions page, and you drag and drop. You can start with quotes. You can start with maybe slider again by standard. You can start with image gallery. You can put video gallery again. You can have maybe faculty lists because you want people to see, and then you can have admission form download. You can have staff qualities. You can have principal's desk. It depends on your choice. It's just drag and drop. It's just celebration and events. You want people to see what's going on. You can see magazine. You can drag and drop magazine there. You can just drag and drop whatever you want there and save it. Just save it. By the time you go back to your admissions now, you have a lot of content. Can you see? So this is how you develop your website. And contact us, the same thing. Contact us page. We can develop our contact us page. We go back again and have contact us. It will be empty as usual. All we need to do is maybe we have our quote again. Start with. We can have your contact us branch. Contact us and branch. You can arrange it however you want it. Arrange it, and then that's all. If that's all you want here, you can save it. Contact us pages don't need to have a lot of information apart from the information for clients to contact you. So you can see the header title here. You can change it, and you can change your quotes. You can change your quotes. For example, you can say the header title, say drop contact us. You can just say contact us, and by the time you save it, it will be it will change. The header title here will change to contact us. Can you see? So this is how you play around our web development module. You don't need any web development knowledge before now to use this. You don't need any coding skills. It is very easy to use, and it is a drag and drop system. All right, it is a drag and drop system which I've just demonstrated for you. So that is all about our web development and the web building module. If you have more questions, you can contact us via support@afriSAMS.com. We'll be willing to guide you more on how to develop your website using our content management system that we have embedded in website builder module. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye.